Welcome to 326 Chemin du Prospecteur. Bienvenue au 326 Chemin du Prospecteur sur le Lac-de-la-Grange. Je m'appelle Jonathan et je suis courtier immobilier. I'm Jonathan and I'm a real estate broker. Dans cette visite porte ouverte, je vais vous montrer les images aériennes de la propriété. Je vais vous familiariser avec le lac de la Grange. Je vais faire le tour de l'extérieur de la maison et enfin, je vais rentrer dans la maison, vous montrer tous les éléments qui rendent cette propriété exceptionnelle. In this open house tour, I will show you some aerial footage of the property. I will give you some details about Lac-de-la-Grange itself, the health of the lake and the type of lake that we're on. I'll walk you around the outside of the property, and I'll wrap things up by giving you a tour of the interior of this wonderful, cozy cottage. I will do my best to point out all of the elements that make this property exceptional. Suivez-moi, follow me. We find ourselves at the entrance to the property, so on Chemin du Prospecteur. And here is the driveway. So Chemin du Prospecteur, which goes partway around the Lac-de-la-Grange. And we are near the end. I think there are about half a dozen properties here to our left. As we come in, these nice big steel gates which can be locked. Some of the properties have them in this area, not because theft is a problem, because it really isn't. I'm very familiar with the lake and I can tell you that it is not. But just as an extra precaution for these properties where people are not here year round or all week long. So a nice short driveway. We come upon the house. You can see there's a really nice, really cool old tractor here on the right. It's been there obviously for many years. And as you can see, this nice cedar shed and the propane tank. So this being a 100% off-the-grid home, those solar panels provide all the power necessary to feed the house with lights and energy to run the furnace and whatnot. So we'll go to the shed later and show you the solar system, but there you have it, the propane tank, which provides all the propane necessary to run the fridges and stove and furnace. So here you have the back of the house, children's play area there and the house. But we're gonna first of all go right down to the water's edge and see what that's like, because that's the number one feature of this very cozy cottage. So you can see here on the lake side of the house, perfect western orientation, western facing, nice big covered deck, and a nice flat area here that the owners respect the rules, which are that you can only cut the vegetation in a small area down to the water, so as to respect the quality of the water, quality of the lake water. So you can see here, as I come to the edge, really nice beach area. You can see the bottom is sand, so on either side. So swimming here is feet in the sand. And there you have a look at the property from the dock. Lac-de-la-Grange, pristine lake, absolutely impeccable water quality, and no motorboats allowed. Very strictly enforced by the Lake Owners Association. The quality of the water here is a point of pride for the owners. The quietness of this lake is a point of pride for all of the landowners on this lake. So really strictly adhere to rules in this cottage country. the lake, which, by the way, I know owners on this lake who eat fish in it, eat fish caught from it every other day. So chock full of fish, good and deep in the center. So there you have a look at the outside of the property. So the limit of the property here is it's about 50 feet in that direction, where there's that large pine, or hemlock I should say, large hemlock. And on the other side here, it's another 50 feet beyond where the grass is cut. So we'll go now back around to the front of the house and visit the interior. I almost forgot the woodshed and the solar system. So before we go in the door, which is right behind us, let's take a look at this woodshed here. So right in front of the house, covered area for storing the wood for the winter. Of course, being a cottage, it has a wood burning fireplace. And then coming around here to the interior of the shed is where we will find the generator, so the main Honda generator and backup generator, and the solar system with its batteries. So if you are interested in solar systems, I know quite a bit about them and be happy to talk to you about this one. Very good quality solar system, recently upgraded with new batteries and inverter charger. Yes, very well done. Give me a shout and I can explain how it works to you. Very simple to use. Anybody can use it. Easy to turn on and off. And very autonomous, so you don't need to spend a lot of time maintaining it. So here we go into the house. So we step in here, of course, with the western orientation and the setting sun. Right now the light's just coming in here like crazy. When I turn the camera around, you'll see better. So here we have the entrance area, narrow corridor where we can take our shoes off, jackets and whatnot. And then we step in, and to our left is this kitchen. So really nice country style kitchen, wood shaker style cabinets, so real painted wood, all in excellent condition. Really feel like I'm at a country cottage here. So propane fridge, propane stove, and the propane furnace, which can easily heat this entire house on its own all winter long. So there you have it. Dining room area here with a view of the lake on all sides. Really nice quality double pane windows. Pine throughout, so pine flooring, pine ceiling. Okay, and then these nice big features of these round log supports for the second floor. So steps that go right up there here through the middle, and right in front of the door onto the balcony. So view of the water here. I'm sure you've seen photos of it, and I'm sure you've already seen the footage of the setting sun, which I will get once I'm done filming this. So there you have it, nice large deck here. Come back inside. To my left, a living room area with the fireplace. So it's a wood burning fireplace, throws off a lot of heat, not just a decorative thing. High ceilings in this area, and the mezzanine above us. So mezzanine where there is a bathroom and 2 bedrooms. Okay, but the main floor bedroom is right here around the corner. This can be used as a bedroom, It could also be used for living space. In that corner right there is where we would install a washer dryer. Of course, the people who own it presently don't have a washer dryer here. It really is a cottage and they don't need a washer dryer, but all the plumbing and necessary hookups are there. So let's just come back around here and see the first floor bathroom. So powder room. So toilet and bathroom, of course. Shower, really nice travertine. I'm not sure if this is actual travertine. I think it may be. I would have said ceramic, but I think it's actual travertine. Very nicely done. And again, nice pine ceiling, toilet, sit, and sink. Back we come now. We'll go upstairs. So as I arrive at the top of the stairs here, a little reading area, a little reading corner over there. Bathroom here, full bathroom with a tub. Come down the hall to first bedroom here with the bunk. So double bed on the bottom, single bed on top. Really nicely done with the white doors, the white trims to make it feel lighter in here, but it still retain the cottage feel with the wood, the pine throughout. So master bedroom up here. Let's take a look here at the view down below. So there you have it. This wonderful lakefront cottage, a true cottage in all the sense of the word, of the expression and the word. Really designed around living the lake lifestyle, lakefront lifestyle out here on the back of the house. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see this property in person, please don't hesitate to call me and book an appointment to come see it in person.